Okay, yet another complex fraction, very similar to the last example. Here, just notice that our denominators are this x plus h plus 1 and the x plus 1. One is not a factor of another, so our LCD is going to be both of them. So we're going to multiply by x plus h plus 1 times x plus 1, and downstairs, x plus h plus 1 times x plus 1. So here we go. Now, I'm going to kind of take it a little shorter this time. So here's our fraction bar. In the denominator, again, I am not going to multiply this all out because it would be a big mess. And again, we like factored form to make sure later that our fraction is in lowest terms. So in the first fraction, and I'll just highlight that here, when our first fraction is multiplied by the LCD over there, the x plus h plus 1s are going to cross out, so we get 4 times x plus 1. When we move over to this one, multiply that by x plus h plus 1 times x plus 1, the x plus 1s are going to cross out, so we have minus 4 times x plus h plus 1. Okay, so now we're getting somewhere. Now at least we're out of the complex fraction realm, but the answer is still not simplified. We still have to work with this numerator here. So this is going to be 4x plus 4 minus 4x minus 4h minus 4. And I really don't know why I put that parenthesis there, so it's gone. And now we divide that by h times x plus h plus 1 times x plus 1. And you notice that things do simplify in the numerator. So the 4x's go away and the 4's go away, and we get a negative 4h upstairs. And we get an h times this thing again. And now notice there's a common factor of h between the numerator and denominator. So those cancel out. So our final answer is negative 4 over x plus h plus 1 times x plus 1. And that's all there is to it. So you notice that with complex fractions, main thing you have to do first is identify your LCD, multiply everything through, take your time because it can get complicated, and then just work through the problem, simplify that numerator, and then you're pretty much done at that point. So hopefully that helps you simplify your complex fractions, and look out for more videos on other topics. Thanks again.